Carson, Killingsworth, Dallam, Deaf Smith, Donley, Gray, Hansford, Hartley, Hemphill, Hutchinson, Moore, Ochiltree, Oldham. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Armstrong County, Randall County, Southeastern Deaf Smith County, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms were located 4 miles northwest of Canyon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Locations impacted include Canyon, Umbarger, Buffalo Lake, Noaa, Palo Duro Canyon, and Mescalero Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Armstrong, Deaf Smith and Randall.